Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. This video, we are going to do it a little bit early because you guys already know where I stand with bullish and bearish on Bitcoin. If you don't, you can watch my videos from earlier. But for right now, I did a video earlier on Bitcoin, guys. If you didn't see it, check it out. But we're going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Cardano, and Solana in that order. I'm just doing these charts for right now for tonight. But there was something that caught my attention, and I wanted to put it out there for you guys. Something that's very interesting that could possibly be bullish. Okay, so if you guys saw my video earlier, you guys knew that I made these two lines, and I said the bulls are going to try to defend this area as hard as they can for Bitcoin, and we are currently getting a little bit bounce. Now, that's not the big news. We still got 3 minutes to the next candle opens up. Let's see how the next candle opens up. But what I want to show you is, guys, if we go to the 4 hour, okay, now let me hide this. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purpose only. But guys, this could be actually a nice move if this actually plays out. And I'm going to show you exactly what we're looking at. Okay, look at this. Boom, 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 boom. If that plays out and we create a W pattern here and we break above, I've been talking about this. Guys, you've seen it. Before this even played out, I talked about this bounce area, and I talked about getting above 42,680 area, or actually it could even be 442,635 area. But guys, this is the double bottom or W pattern, whatever you guys want to call it. Okay, this could actually be shaping up. Okay, on the 4 hour. Now, if we do get this pattern, okay, I would be looking for targets from here. I might have to take the unlock I'll see if it's locked. Okay, so it worked. From here to here, and that would actually put us over our well, actually no, we would still be under. It would get us above 44 and actually get us looking a little bit more bullish and give us a shot at my 44,700 and my $45,000 area. Okay, so it would give us a shot if this actually happens. All right, now let's go to the 1 hour. I believe is in one. It's in. Let's see if this breaks up. This would be in one more minute. So if this plays out, guys, we get a nice W pattern here. This actually could give the bulls a chance to push this thing up and put an end to this 37 talk. I mean, it could happen. I'm giving you guys, the bulls are getting hope here. Let's see if this plays out. If it does play out, then yeah, I would be looking for more upside if we get above this 42, let's just say 680 mark. All right, so far it's so good. We're getting the bounce. And I'm going to show you something, guys. It's very interesting. All right, let's look at some of the indicators. Let's zoom up. Maybe this is curling. It looks like it's starting to. The RSI is kind of flatlined. It did give us a little W on the RSI. You could see right here the vortex indicator starting to curl up. Okay, we were getting near the bottom here. So let's see what happens here. Okay, we could get a nice W pattern, but not just on Bitcoin, guys. Look at Ethereum. We got our bounce in our areas on Ethereum as well, which also on the 4 hour, if this plays out, could break. Okay, boom, above my 2950 area. Guys, I've been talking about this 2950 area for probably about a month now. So this has been a big area on Ethereum. We could look all the way back here, all the way back here. This has played a big part. All the way back here when we hit resistance here, all the way back here. This has been a huge spot. Okay, so I've kept that area and through this 3050. Now, if this W pattern plays out, okay, I'm giving you guys some hopium. Okay, this plays out, would get us close to our upper range, our upper target. I talked about this 3110. It would get us above there. and give you guys hope again for more push to the upside. All right. So keep an eye on this. This could play out. All right. Same thing. Matic, it just kind of bounced off our area that we talked about, 106, I believe. Oh no, it says 104 was the bottom. Okay, so I'm sorry. I do apologize. We were off by 2 pennies on that. I believe I had 106. Yeah, I had 106 as bottom. So this is on the 4 hours. So we did miss it by 2 pennies. But we are getting the bounce. So let's see if we can break this $1.11 area on Matic. Cardano, guys, same thing. Okay, this is the 4 hour. All right, 4 hour. We could be producing a W pattern. All right, let's see if it plays out. Okay, so because we are getting a bounce right off my area. Okay, 102. What was the bottom? Or 202. 202 was the bottom. All right, let's look. Let's see what we have. From here to here. I'm going to have to take off the lock on this because it's not letting me. All right, from here to here. Let's bring this up. And look at this, guys. It goes perfect with my Fibonacci anywhere from 225 to 227 area. That would be my target. I mean, this could play out. So let's keep an eye on that. To the downside, we want to see 97 and a dollar. I mean, $1.97 and $1.90 hold up, or anywhere from this area. Actually, we can do this. Okay. Now this is not guaranteed, guys. All right, I'm still bearish until we get above, like I said, that 45,000 on Bitcoin. But this is just giving you guys hope. Anything you can look for. This is something you can look for to be bullish, because I always want to give you bullish and the bearish scenarios. Now to the downside, and I will go over some of the bearish scenarios because I did skip it on Matic and Ethereum. Bitcoin, you guys already know. But yeah, in this purple box, I would like to see this purple box hold anywhere from 190 to 187. If not, then I'll be looking at this 170 area. But we'll get to that when we get there. But I'm just looking out because it is shaping up for maybe a W pattern. So let's just keep this in mind. Solana, the same thing, guys. Look at this 4 hour. I mean, we traded this perfect. Look at the 1 hour, guys. This is, I mean, you can't. I mean, look at this. We got our bounce here, 124. I don't know. I guess this got erased, but you guys know I called this at 116 to the dollar all the way back up here. We were up here. I was calling this at 116 to bottom out. We got the bottom. Then I called this 152 area to be the top. We got the top. Then I called this 129 area to bounce. We got the bounce. Then we came back down. I called this 126 to 124. We got that top. Came back up. 149 I had 150, I'm sorry, and we got to 149, so I was a dollar off there. Then we came down. We got my bounce off of 128. Nailed it to the dollar. Came back up here. Nailed this to the dollar. We had 139. Boom. Got rejected. Now I did miss this. I had 130 when we got to 131 for a bounce. So I did miss that barely. But let's see if this plays out. There is a W. I'm just giving you guys hope. I want to give you guys hopium. But let's see if this W plays out on the 4 hour chart. Okay. Let's see. Right here. This is just something to look out for, guys. Boom, boom, boom. This is not as strong as the other W's because they didn't double bottom, but this is still considered a W, guys, because the right, I guess, how would you look at it? The right side is higher than the left side, so it's still considered a W. So if we do break anywhere from pretty much 140, okay, let's see what the target would be. I'm just trying to give you guys some hope. This might not play out, guys. But we could get back up above right here to our previous target around $1. 150. Okay, 149 area. All right. So let's just mark that. Now, none of this is guaranteed, guys, but it does give you guys hope. To the downside, I want to see this 128, and then I want to see this right here, 116 hold up. If not, 104 to 97. And then you can see my other areas, 116 and 82. Okay. Now, if we break this 152, okay, if we break this area, I would be looking for 170 area. Let's bring it down a little bit. 170 to 181 to 185. Okay. And then we'll go from there if we break this 152. All right. So, okay. So we went over Solana. We went over Cardano, Ethereum to the downside, 2734. And actually, I know I have 2647, but it'd be more like 2650. Let me see if I can get that. Yep, there we go. 2650 area. And then to the downside, if that doesn't hold, then we're looking at 2440 to we'll just mark this box out here, rectangle, because it could go into anywhere in this area here. 2440 to 2389 area. Okay. So those would be the downside. And you got the upside. Bitcoin, you guys already know where I'm looking at. Matic. Let's see. Did we cover Matic? I think I covered Matic. Back to the downside, guys. I would like to see this 103 hold up. And well, actually 102 and then the 101. If that folds, then 93 and 85 would be on deck. So pay attention to that, guys. And to the upside, there's not a W here shaping up. But we are getting a nice bounce. So let's see what happens, guys. I wanted to give you guys some hopium. If we got guys, if we do close, look, if we do close under Bitcoin, let's go to daily. Let's go to 4 hour. You can see it better. On Bitcoin, guys, if we do close under, I'm not going to say this box here. I'm looking more at my fib. So let's mark this out. If we close under, actually, we don't want to see a new low, guys. So let's keep an eye on that as well. But I'm going to be very, very bearish. Look, if first of all, we make a new low here at 39,600 area. But if we get a 4 hour or a daily closing under these two levels, then I'd be looking for this to break down and then this to go to our bigger target finally to the downside, which would be around this area, and then maybe look for a bounce. Now, could we get a wick down here to scare everybody, or a bounce down here to 34, which would be the bottom of my my triangle here, guys? And this is the trend going all the way back from when we broke out at $9,000. Okay, this is the trend. It bounced off the trend right here. Okay, at 29, that was an easy play that we got at the 29 area, and we called this, and then we broke out after we bounced off of my triangle. So we could get another move to 34, which would fill the CME gap as well. Okay, so keep that in mind, guys. This could happen. It could be a wick down here and get a bounce, and then we could go back above. We could just get a quick wick and bounce. If that's the case, be ready, guys. Be ready, because everybody could be looking for this bounce, and this could get a bounce, and then we could come up here to 39.40 and then get a wick back down. That could be another possibility. So so we do get a bounce here, I would be looking to this to roll over, to touch my bottom of my triangle one last time to scare everybody. Maybe even get a little wick underneath it and come back up. But let's look for a wick and a bounce, because we did get the bounce here. So let's see if that happens, guys. If that happens, hey, just make sure you guys hit the like and sub to my channel and hit the bell and hit the all. Because once again, guys, we'd be predicting it perfectly before it happened, days before, whatever you want to call it. This is what we do on my channel. I just started this channel, guys. This is what we do. This is what we've been doing from day one. Okay. I think I've lost 3 trades. One was a Elon Musk tweet when we were breaking out of a pattern. One was a El Salvador thing. Something happened in El Salvador where some FUD. We ended up losing that trade. So yeah. So I think there's been about over 100 trades. And guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purposes only. and I can only remember losing 3 of them. So, yes, we do have a 95% winning percentage on my channel, and I can't make it up because it's on YouTube, guys. I have followers. You know, you guys in the comments in my last video, I appreciate you guys comment. I love you guys all. But you guys that followed my channel from the beginning, you guys seen it. You guys know we've been crushing it, and we're gonna keep crushing this. Okay, I have 100% confidence in myself and in my channel on what we're doing on this channel, guys. And the subs will go up, and we will go live eventually, guys. Once I get more subs, I will go live. It's just I didn't want to start going live with 500 subs because it's like you might have 20 people in the chat. I want to have a bunch of people in the chat. I want to start a community. I want to start eventually I want to start some kind of chat room or something for you guys. I want to start doing these things for you, but I want to go live. And eventually, whatever money I do make in the future, I will be donating to kids because I started this channel just because I felt like, I want to give to the community. I saw a lot of bad TA out there. And, when things were going down, guys, I was calling this top at the 60. We were up here at 65. I was saying this is top. I started shorting at 62. And guys, it's not something that I do often. Okay, I'm not much of a short, but I just saw a great opportunity, so I took advantage of it. All right, but I haven't really shorted since. So I'm not. That's not something I like to do. It's just when you see opportunity and everybody's talking the moon, and you're seeing this thing topping out, you're kind of like, right here. Actually, I took it at 62. So right when we started breaking down here, I said it's over. I even posted it on stock tweets. I don't know how far you would have to go back. I've been talking about Bitcoin since it was $3,000 on stock tweets. So, and I had a lot of great moves on stock tweets. And then you could see some of my day trades too. So anytime you see a big minus on anything that I posted on stock tweets. Most of the time that was a day trade, or you guys can go back and see some of my posts where I was buying things at 50 cents and it might be a $1.50 now or something, but and it might be down from the high, but when you're buying it so low, it's like one of those things where it's like when I was calling Tesla when it was at its bottom, guys, in 2019. I said, hey, and I posted on Twitter. You guys can check it out. I said, hey, EVs, electric car companies in 2020, NEO at $1.40, Workhorse at $1.20. God, you name it. Plug Power at $2. I said electric car companies and electricity companies were going to be huge in 2020. Those were my plays. I called all of them. I tweeted it. I posted it on my Twitter just now from when I tweeted it a long time ago. You guys can check that out. Bitcoin. I've been loving Bitcoin since I found out about Bitcoin years and years ago. Cryptocurrency. I believed in it from the beginning. I still believe in it. Yeah, we might have a downside move, but once we get this downside move, guys, I think that'll be your last chance. So, and then I think it's uphill from there. But guys, I'm gonna get this video out to you. Make sure you guys sub. Make sure you guys hit the thumbs up. I'll put a link to Webull so you guys get some free shares in there just to help the community. You deposit $100, you get 3 free shares. You guys can do what you want with it, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purpose only. But I love all you guys. Make sure you guys sub, hit the bell, and hit all because they shadow ban me. They already kicked me off of TradingView permanently. So make sure you guys do that so you guys don't miss any of my videos, because you guys can sub and still miss my videos if you don't hit the bell and the all. All right. So much love to you guys and peace out.